Okay, hello there viewers. So let's try this topic, which is I call in-between inequalities. Why I call it in-between? Because as you can see here, there's inequality sign, and in each of them there are equations. But for this case, this is only one which difference. There's only x in the middle. But for the other two cases, there are x that other two sides as well. But for this one, there's an x squared, so it's a bit special case. So I go through this one first, which is easy. But for these two, I apply the technique which I call S1C, which stands for split, solve, and combine. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, for this type, for the first type, where there's only x in the middle, this is a bit special. Okay, so firstly, you need to ask yourself what you don't need. Okay, I don't need this one. I want to throw that one outside. So what I did is I minus 1 for all three of them. After I minus 1, I get myself this equation, and then I ask myself again what I don't want. I do not want this negative 3. So what I did is I divide by negative 3 for all three sides. Negative 3. Okay, sorry, you cannot think it sucks, you know. Divide by negative 3. After I divide by negative 3, I get myself into this one. Okay, do take note, once you divide it by negative 3, negative, the signs change places, and you got our 1 over there and 4 over there. But you must not leave your answer in this way in exams, because you need to have the less until more. Okay, less until more. But in this way, we have got everything disrupted. So we just switch sides, and we leave that as our final answers, and you are fine. Hope this is easy enough for you. Do take note, you can only apply this technique if there's only x at one side. On the next example here, you can see there's x here, there's x here, there's x here. So you cannot apply as what you did last time, and this is where you need to apply the SSC, split, solve, combine. Okay, the first thing you do is you start to split it up. Alright, so what I did is I kind of split it over here, but x minus 6 goes here, x minus 6 goes over here as well, as you can see here, negative 5x and 2 minus x over here. Alright, after you split, you need to solve it up as usual, nothing much, just solve it algebraically, just move things around and you solve it. Once you solve it, then only you need to combine the answers. How do I combine? This is x more than 1, this is x less than 4. You need to use by the number line technique. Alright, you draw the number line. For this one, x is bigger than 1, and this one, x is less than 4. And you need to ask yourself, okay, is it an intersection or union? As you can see, if for in between cases, the split is always n, because it's connected. Alright, we'll do the or soon, but normally in between there's no or, it's just n. Right, so n stands for intersect, n is intersect. So you draw it up, the intersection is over here, and this is our final answer. Either you want to leave your answer in this way, or you can also leave your answer in this way. Both of them are perfectly fine. Alright, so moving on to our next examples. For this example, as you can see, is similar to last time, that there's an x equation over here, there's an x equation over there, there's an x equation over there as well. Okay, for all three of them. But for this case, there's a little bit difference. There's an x squared over here, which makes things into a quadratic. But do not worry, we're still going to solve it the same way by using the SSC method, split, solve, combine. So the first thing you do, as what we did last time, we start and split it up into this way. Remember, for in between, it's always and, not or, because the equations are connected. Okay, after you got here, you want to solve it up. This is a quadratic inequalities, so you just solve it in a quadratic inequalities manner. Okay, please watch the video of quadratic inequalities. But this is a normal thing, and I just want to say that this line for matrix syllabus are optional. Okay, once you have solved it up, you want to use combine. How do I combine them? You use the number line technique as well. You draw the number line, get things up there. Okay, you need to take notes. This is level 1, this is over here, but this one, it need to be on the same level. As you can see here, it's on the same level, level 2. What I mean by the same level, level 2 is not written on another level. Why it need to be on the same level? Because it's It's the same equation. Alright. After you have done that, you need to combine it. Remember, how do I combine? It refers to how you split it on the first place. This is N. N stands for intersection. So the intersect for this case will be around this area. And after you got that, so your answer will be here. Okay? You can either leave your answer in this way, or you can leave your answer in that way. Both of them are acceptable. Sorry, they're here for you to get the bigger view. Alright, I think if the video is helpful, I hope the video is helpful for you. If it is, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to the video. Alright, thank you very much for watching.